Welcome. Thank you for joining me. My name is Alex. Please subscribe. I post daily yoga videos. This will be a full body stretch, gentle, restorative for beginners, but all levels are welcome to enjoy. Let's begin in a child's pose. Bring the big toes together. The knees are about mat width distance. On an exhale, walk your hands forward and away from you. Soften down onto the mat. Bring your awareness to the present moment, to the quality of each breath. In and out through the nose as best as you can. Arrive in the present moment, the one that you can do something with, the one that you are working with right now. Press up to all fours and all the way forward onto your stomach. Rest your forehead on the left hand. Bring the right foot in for a quad stretch. Press your hips forward and down. Smooth out the breath. Switch sides. Ideally, the eyes stay open. That way you stay present. Smooth out the breath. Keep the gaze soft. Release. Press up to a tabletop and sit back. Bring your legs around to one side. Extend your legs out in front of you. Keep the knees soft. We're going to relax over the legs. Thread your arms underneath the knees and relax the forehead forward. Breathe deeply in and out through the nose. Sit up. Bring the soles of your feet to touch. Hold on to the outsides of your feet. Let the knees open up. Roll the shoulders back and down. On an exhale, relax over your legs. Rest your forehead on a pillow, a block. Maybe a pet is right there. Where's Caesar? And breathe. Nothing is forced. Stay present. Release. Sit up. Extend your legs out in front of you and lie back on your back. Lengthen out, tuck the tailbone a little bit. Flatten out the shoulders, palms face up. Reach your arms overhead. Bring the right heel to the right corner of your mat. Keep the legs straight, and you're going to lift the left leg up and over. Cross at the ankles. The left knee, top knee will bend a little bit. Pick your upper body up. You are a crescent moon. You've got this nice long reach. Hold the left wrist with the right hand. You've got this great stretch happening down through the left side of the body. Encourage quality, smooth breathing. Switch sides. Bring the left heel to the left corner of the mat. You're going to pick your upper body up and scoot it over. Right ankle crosses over the left. Hold the right wrist with the left hand. Breathe. Stay present. Keep your awareness here and now. Back to center. Nice long stretch. Hug both knees in to the chest and find stillness. If the chin is sticking straight out, don't hug the knees in so much. One hand on top of each knee. Interlace the fingers, or if the box grip is there, hold opposite elbows. Soften your temples, your jaw, your thoughts. Hug the right knee in, extend the left leg out, squeeze, pull the right leg. Long twist to the left. Use the left hand to guide the leg across. Right arm reaches away. Keep the right shoulder down, palm down, unless that irritates the shoulder. Back to center and switch out the legs. Left knee in, right leg out. Twist. Draw the left leg across to the right. Back to center. Hug both knees in and use them to help you to sit up. You can roll to one side or rock and roll up. Roll the shoulders back and down. Sit up tall. Left arm reaches up and over for a side body stretch, just long enough for the exhale. And switch sides. Left hand down, right arm up and over. Keep the sit bones even. And lift both arms overhead, palms touch. On an exhale, lower the hands down to heart center. For our closing breath, interlace the fingers, press the palms away from you, shoulder height, shoulders down. Lift the arms overhead, follow the hands with your gaze. Breathe in again at the top. Long exhale, hands lower down, palms touch. gratitude for your practice. I am so grateful for your presence. If you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe, comment, like, and I will see you in my next video. Namaste. Cold out here. I heard a kitty. If you're still watching and have not subscribed, I'm annoyed with you.